Hello everyone, this is my channel Learn Web Technologies. Today we will talk about float and clear property. So firstly we will talk about float property. What is float property? Float property is used for positioning and formatting content. So float property have one of the following values. We have some values like float left, right, none, inherit. We have four values of float property. Let's talk about one by one. So this is the blank page and this is the content. So I'm adding a div here, and inside div I'm adding an image tag. In image I'm adding, I have an image, I think subscribe.png, and inside this I'm adding Lauren content. So if we will go through, so this will look like this. If we will do our image, if I'm adding a CSS float left, this is the by default property float left, and adding and just save and then refresh, it will look like this. Okay, if we will change right, then image comes in the right side. Okay, so this um, you can add a left. Okay, and add the margin right is 20px. Just save so that it shows some margin here. Yeah, why, if you will think why is content is coming from top, because image is taking some space. You can see here this image is taking white space, so that's why it's coming from the top. Otherwise it will come from the top of the image if image don't have some white space. So that's why I use that type of image. Okay, now if you want, now clear property specify what content can float beside the clear element and on which side. So float property have the same values like none, left, right, both inherit. So if you will do it like this, you can add a p tag here, and and just go in p tag and add a clear left. So it will create a space. It will show it in a like this float clear left. If you are removing clear left from here, then content is coming from here. Clear left is like it's required a white space from the left side. So most common way is to use the clear property is after you have used a float property on an element. After you will use a float property, you can add a clear both. When clear float elements, you should match to the clear to the floats. If element is floated to the left, then you should clear to the left. Okay, that's I just shown you this example. If you are writing like this, if you are doing right, and it's not looks good. If you are doing a clear right, then it will look a better way. Now it's fine. Okay, I will tell you the some clear fix hack. Clear fix hack. Why this is required? If an element is taller than the element containing it and it's floated, it overflow outside of its containers. So then we will use this property. Suppose I will show you. You are just removing from this and just show it like this. And in this is the div tag. So in div tag you are adding some CSS. Padding is 20 px and adding a border. Border is 4 px solid. Just save and then refresh and then refresh. Now it image is coming outside of this. Because image size is bigger than the this div. So how you will handle this? For this, you will do it like this. You can add a overflow property here and add it to auto. It will increase the div size. It will automatically increase the div size automatic of this particular the greater image or greater p tag. Okay, you can but in this case, some cases it will show a scroll bar that is also not looking good, because the overflow auto clear fix hacks work as long as you are able to keep control of your margin and padding. Else it will show a scroll bar. The new modern clearfix hacks, however, it is safer to use and the following code is for the most web pages. I will show you the code. This will you just remove this and add it a div. It's after it's the shadow class. Basically, don't worry about the shadow element. I will this will you will learn this in our upcoming videos. So don't worry about this. So I'm adding a content is blank and clear both and display table. Just save and refresh. It will also doing the same way whatever clearfix overflow auto is doing. But in overflow auto, sometimes it's showing a scroll bar. But when you are applying this, it will never show a scroll bar. Okay, so now we will talk about grid grid of boxes equal width boxes. Okay, so I have three boxes. I'm just adding a three box inside div. I'm just removing this one and adding a div tag and edit a class box, and here I'm adding clear class clear fix. Just copy this and adding a clear fix here. Okay, and in clear fix I'm adding this content and same applying for this div three times. Okay, and remove this div element and rest all this. Only clear fix is there. So now I'm adding a box equal. We are equal width boxes equal width. So I'm adding a width with equal 33.3%. Okay, float is left, padding is 20. Okay, just see. You can add a border also. Border is 3px solid. Just save. It will not, this third div not coming here. Why? Because it's adding a in 33.3%, it's adding a padding also and 3 pixel border also. For resolving this, what you can do, you can add a star element here and add a box sizing box sizing border box. What this will do, it's in a single line. What this will do, it will Box, box sizing is property allows you to include the padding and border in the box total width and height, making sure the padding stays inside of the box and it does not break. So, so this box sizing is very important. So this why this it's happening. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for listening. Have a great day.